Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are going to learn about the seasons book and integrated term course term 1. So we are going to learn maths, ordering or comparing numbers, that is lesson 2. So let's learn. So ordering or comparing numbers. Comparing numbers, number of digits. So these are the same number of digits and these are the different number of digits. So number of digits same. Compare the digits in the corresponding place values. The number with the greater digit in the same place value is the greatest number. Different. The number with more number of digits is the greater number. Means if the number of digits are same, so we have to compare the numbers corresponding with corresponding place values. And the next one was the number with the greater digit in the same place value is the greater number. Means if the number with the greater number means if it is having the greater number, so the same place value, so it is the greater number. Indifferent, the number with more number of digits is the greater number. Means if the numbers are having the more digit, it is having the greatest number. So for example, let's us compare the numbers 97,89,680 and the next one 98,98,989. So both the numbers are 7-digit numbers. So these are both 7-digit numbers only. So the digits in the greatest place value are same. The place value being 90 lakh. So this is having 90 lakh, this is having 90 lakh. And next one was the digits in the next place value lakh are different. The place value in the first number is 7 lakh and in the second number is 8 lakh. As 7 lakh is less than 8 lakh, so the answer would be 98,989 is greater than 97,89,680. So this is our answer. And the next one was ascending and descending order. So we can arrange the following numbers from the largest to the smallest. Means we can arrange the numbers in the largest to smallest. Means big to small. So let's arrange. The above numbers are now arranged in descending order. Let's read. 66,12,986. So this is having 66 lakhs. So this is having at the second number from the left side. It is having the greatest value. So this is 6, this is 5, this is 5. So the greatest number was first one is 66 lakhs and 12,986. So here 65 lakhs 9,287. Here 65 lakhs 4,329. Here these 9,000 and 4,000 are different. So the answer is the second number is 65 lakhs 9,287 and the last number was 65 lakhs 4,329. So let's go to the next one. So these are the same numbers can be arranged from the smallest to largest. So the same numbers can be arranged from the small to big also. So the last number of the descending order is the first number of the ascending order, and these two should be in the same. So if the middle number of the descending order is same, so the ascending order is also same only. And the first in number arranged in descending order is the last in the ascending order. So let's remember, while comparing we must look from left to right, from the millions and 10 lakhs column to the ones column. While comparing means if we are comparing the both numbers, we should look right and left, and from the millions 10 lakhs column to the ones column. So we have to master in international system millions, as in the Indian system lakhs, 10 lakhs. So in the 10 lakhs column to the ones column. So let's go to the next one, that is exercise 2.1. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So here 56,701, 56,710, 56,691, 56,161, 56,200, 56,711, and 7. So we have to arrange them in ascending order. So the first number of the smallest number, which is, so let's take hundreds column, 776127. So the first one, number 1 is the smallest than any number. So we have to write here 1. So 56,161 is the first number. And the next number was 56,200. So here let's check 77627. So here having 2. So this is the next number. So this is the next second number, that is 56,200. And the next one should be 6. So 7767. So 6 is the smallest number than 7. So right, the next number should be 56,691. And the next one was here check the ones column. So here 1, 0, 1. And in the tens column, here 1, 0, 1. So in the tens column is the main. So our next one number is 56,701. And the next number, here 1, 1, same. So here 0 and 1 in the ones column. So here 0 is the smallest number than 1. So here write 0, and 56,710 is the next number. And the last number was 56,711. So this is our answer. Let's go to the next sum. So this is B big, that is 41,305, 41,003, 41,030, 41,503, 41,350, 41,003, 41,035, 41,503. So this is our question. So our answer would be the first number. So let's take the hundreds column. So here thousands and 10,000s are having same numbers only. So don't check them. So here 3. So I am marking with pencil now. So here 3 is the smallest number. So let's check the hundreds column. 3, 0, 0, 5, 3, 0. So here 3 zeros are there. So we have to check now tens one. So 0, 0, 3, 0, 5, 3. So here 0 is the smallest number. So right here 0. So our first answer is 41,003. So the next answer would be, so here 0 is there. So our next number is 0. So here 2 zeros are there. So again, so here 3 2's are there. So here 0 and 5. So let's write 41,030. Our next answer would be 41,035 because it's having 0. And the next one was 41,305, 41,350. So here 305 and 350. So 300 place was same. And here 0 and 5. So 0 is the smallest number than 5. So right here 0. So our answer is 41,305. And next number was 41,350. So 5 is less than 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So our answer would be 41,350. And the last number was 41,503. So this is our answer. So let's go to the next one. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So here 62,459, 61,059, 61,025, 62,549, 62,945, 61,900. So here 60. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So we have to arrange these numbers from big to small. So let's see. So our question is 62,459, 61,050. So 61,059, 61,095, 62,549, 62,945, 61,900. So let's arrange these numbers in descending order. So 62,945 is is the biggest number because it is having 9 and it is having 2. So this is the biggest number. And next, the next number 62,549 is the next number. And next number 62,459. And next one 61,900. And next one 61,995. 900. And next one 61,095. And next one 61,059. So here 7 10,000s are there, so it is the same. So check thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. So let's check. So here 2 8s are there. So which is the biggest number here? 3, 4, and here 5 is less than 8. So our first answer is 78,340. And next one 78,345. So here 4 75s are there. So let's check. 8, 4, 6, 9. So the biggest number is 9. So 75,940. Next one 75,834 because it's 9, 8, 6, 4. So 78,623, 75,438. So write the numbers in the correct boxes. One has been done as an example. So here one example is given. So let's check. So here smallest number and greatest number as usual. So 68,010, 68,011, 68,009. It is the smallest because it is having this number, like less than number here. So 68,009, 68,010, 68,011 is the answer. And next one 58,011, 50,010, 50,009. So here we have to check the here symbol is given. So here this is also less than. So 50,009, 50,010, 50,011. So let's next one. 39,876, 39,875, 39,874. So here greater number is given. So then 39,876, 39,875, 39,874. So here we have to check the ones column. And the next number was 81,005, 81,006, 81,007 because here having the same one. So because here having less than symbol. So you have to check here less than and greater than. So it's very important to check. So the next one was 80,013, 80,011, 80,012. So 80,013 is the first number, 80,012 is the second number, 80,011 is the first number, third number. So 1,23,455, 1,23,455, 1,23,456. The answer is 1,23,455, 1,23,456, 1,23,457 because we are having the less than symbol. So let's now do the next one. So round the following numbers in the nearest and look at the digits in the ones plus 2 beside. One has been done as an example. So you have to, you know already, so we have to round off. So here try to round 45 to the nearest 10. So we are only using the because it is 45 is a midway point. So 45 is always rounded up to 50 only. In like example 91, 90. So if the 91 is so we can count like this also. So we will draw the number line and say this is having 5 digits and this is having 5. So because 45 is the midway point, so the 45 number should be always to the next number. So if 91 is given as this, so think 90, 91, 92, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So here 91 is rounded up here. So we have to, because here having 91 minus 1 is equal to 90, but 100 minus 91 is equal to 9. So 9 is greater than 1. So 1 is the answer. So our answer would be 90. So let's decide. 563, our answer would be 560. 376, 380. 489, 490. 532, 530. 2678, 2700. 3,583, 3,600, 6,791, 6,800, 7,836, 7,800. So this is our answer. Rounding to the nearest hundred. Similarly, numbers can be now rounded to the nearest hundred. If the number is in the tens position, it's 50 and above, so it is rounded to the next hundred. Otherwise, it is rounded to the lower hundred. So let's round this number. So they are given some examples. So I think you already know this one. So I'm saying again. 6,893. So let's use the Roman. Round off the following numbers to the nearest hundred. So here first question is 6,893. So 6,900, 7,654, 7,700, 3,246, 3,200, 1,380, 1,400, 56,780, 56,800, 23,461, 23,500, 81,929, 82,900, 81,100, 65,500, 65,600. So this is our answer. So let's go to the next one. So rounding to the nearest thousand. So for rounding off to the nearest thousand, look at the hundreds column. Hundred and above is rounded to the higher thousand, below to the lower thousand. For examples here given. So I think maybe you know also this one. So let's go to the exercise 2.4. Round up the numbers to the nearest thousand. So 63 lakhs 56,790. So it is rounded up to 63 lakhs 57,700. 23 lakhs 46,000. 23 lakhs 46,000. Next one 89 lakhs 32,451. So here the answer would be 89 lakhs 32,000, 2,000. So next here 85,000, 85 lakhs 26,950, 85 lakhs 27,000. Here 34 lakhs 85,200. So here 34 lakhs 85,000. 72 lakhs 51,300, 72,050, 51,000. Next one, let's go to the next one. So here round up the nearest following numbers to the nearest 10. So you already know I said. So here again giving for a revise. So let's write 89, 90, 71, 70, 14, 10, 88, 90. So let's go to the next page. So here round up the following numbers to the nearest 100. So 1,200, 5,551, 5,600, 8,120, 8,100. And here next is 6,700 and 6,700. So let's round the following numbers to the nearest thousand. So 7,87,000. So 1,87,000 only. So 14,650. So the answer is 1,500. 5,950, 6,000. 15 lakhs 65,895. 15 lakhs 66,000. 1,10,567, 1,11,000, 1,25,320, 1,25,000. So this is the last page. Recall ordering of numbers: ascending order, descending order. Ascending order means numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest. Descending order means numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest. Descending order. Rounding a number to the nearest 10. Look at the digit in the ones place. If the digit is 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to the digit in the tens place and replace the digit in the ones place with 0. If the digit is less than 5, we replace the digit in the ones place with 0. Rounding a number to the nearest 100. Look at the digit in the tens place. If the digit is 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place and replace the digit in the ones and tens place with 0. If the digit is less than 5, we replace the digit in the ones and tens place with 0. Rounding a number to the nearest hundred and look at the digit in the hundreds place. So if the digit is 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to the digit in the thousands place and replace the digit in the ones, tens and hundreds place with 0. If the digit is less than 5, we replace the digit in the ones, tens and hundreds place with 0. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you next time. Bye. These type of numbers and these lessons are useful for online classes children. So this syllabus is very useful for online class children. Thank you.